We will go for exercise 1.1. After completion of exercise, automatically you are going to understand the sets. What more elaborated explanations by seeing examples, exercise examples only, you are going to understand. See, my plan is I will explain the chapter. I will do exercises in the NCERT class 11 book. Your duty is you have to do worked examples will be there. Worked examples you have to finish. Worked examples, anyway solutions are available in your book only. All complete solutions with explanations, they will be available. That will be easy for you. But what you have to do, you first watch my video. I will do exercise here. After completion of one exercise, then you see, you do the examples of belongs to that exercise. That means first examples will come, then exercise will come. I am going to do exercise, you do examples, so that you can easily understand the concept and you will be very good in the subject. This is our strategy we are going to implement. Okay, now let us see exercise 1.1. Okay, see exercise 1.1, question number 1. Which of the following is set? Justify your answer. See, question, I need not write question is there in your book. But question, for your sake of understanding, I am writing. While writing also, I am going to edit that video. Directly you can see the question. The collection of all months in a year beginning with letter. Okay, normally if you see collection of all months, you can write like this. M is equal to, what are the months beginning with J? Normally say J is January, J is June, J is July. Okay? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. All months. You understand the question in your way. Anyway, for our sake of this answering this question, what he asked to write the names of months in a year starting with J. Okay. See, clearly defined. What is the definition of set? Set is a collection of well defined items or objects or months or men or whatever it may be. See, collection of months well defined. Why? Because see, these are months. How they are defined? They defined. Why we have not written remaining months? Specifically, he mentioned they should start with J, letter J. Therefore, is this a set? Which of the following is set? Yes, this is a set. You can write. How you can write? Collection of months with J, letter. Collection of months name with letter J, J letter is well defined. Therefore, this is a set. You understand now? Collection of months name with J letter is well defined. That is why this is a set. Therefore, this is a set. Like that, you have to answer. We say 1, 2. Question number 1. See this question. The collection of most talented writers of India. How can you say that a writer is talented or not? How you are going to judge it? Even if you judge, your friend is going to accept it. Am I going to accept it? No. Okay. That is why this is not a set. Why? Because there is no well-defined criteria here. This is not a set. How to write this? Most talented writer is not well defined. Therefore, see this, therefore I am writing like this, but in your book you have to write therefore only. Therefore, this is not a set. This is not a set. Why? Because most talented writer is not well defined. See, the collection of, rather than most talented writers, the collection of writers of Hindi literature, if they write, normally Hindi literature, separate collection of writers will be there. All writers, if they come, automatically it is going to be a set. But this is not going to be set. Most talented means not a set. Why? Because there is no clear defined, well defined criteria. See, third question in question number 1, third part. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. See here also, see if they don't write best, then it will be okay. If they write a team of 11 cricket batsmen of the world, means see whatever it may be, those are all batsmen and they should have separate set, then it will be okay. But here best they have mentioned. Best means how you are going to choose. Best for one may not be best for some other person. Okay, that is why this is not a well defined collection of objects. That is why this is not a set. Best cricket batsman is not well defined. Therefore, this is not a set. Okay, you understand now? If best is not there, then it will be okay. Best is there, that is why this is not a set. Best cricket batsman is not well defined. Like that you have to write your answer. This is not a set. Why? Because justification you have to write. See fourth question. Fourth part in question number 1. The collection of all boys in your class. Is this a set? Definitely this is a set. Why? Because clearly they have mentioned boys should be made one set and those boys also should belongs to your class. Okay. Automatically see the set is class 11 boys will be there. See, they may be Ram, Rahim, Raju, like that. For example, I am writing. Okay. How you have, this is a set. Clearly well defined collection. How you have to write answer this one? The set is well defined, or the collection is well defined. Therefore, this is set. This is a set or this is a set. This is answer for this question. Like that you have to write. Why? Because this is well defined. All boys should be belongs to one class. Okay, those names you are going to write. Normally this is a set. Okay, see the fifth part of the first question. What they are asking, the collection of natural numbers less than 100, whether it is a set or not, they are asking. What we have to answer, you see. Collection of natural numbers less than 100, how we are going to write? Natural numbers n, 1, 2, 3, 98, 99, 100 won't come less than 100. Okay, let us make braces. Now you tell me whether this is a set or not. Set only. Why? Because well defined natural numbers. Natural numbers a set. Collection of natural numbers. Collection of natural numbers is a set. Okay, we write this is a set. Why? Justification we have to give, na? Because collection of natural numbers is well defined. Okay, collection of natural numbers is well defined. That is why this is a set. This is set because a collection of natural number is well defined. That's all. That is the answer for that question. Now you see, collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand. See here they have not exaggerated most famous, least talented, worst novel like that. They are not. See, they are simply asking the collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand. You have to make a list and you have to make a collection. Set only, yes. You have to write. This is a set. This is a set because the collection of novels by Munshi Premchand is well defined. That's it. Okay. Collection of novels by Munshi Premchand is well defined. That is why this is also a set. Okay. You understand now? Then we go for next part. Okay. Okay. Now part 7 of question number 1. The collection of all even integers. The collection of all even integers. This is also set. You see, even integers, I take even integers, say z. Okay. Integers even. 2, 4, 6, 8. This is also well defined. Okay, well defined even integers. Okay, therefore this is a set. You can write same thing. Collection of even integers is a well defined collection. Well defined like this. Collection of even integers is well defined. Therefore, this is a set. You understand, na? Collection of even integers is well defined. Therefore, this is a eighth part of the question number 1. You see the collection of questions in this chapter. See, they are asking collection of questions in this chapter. That means in sets. In sets questions they are asking. See, some other question will not come. Only sets questions only will come. Naturally, it is going to be a set, well defined. Okay. Okay. Collection of questions from particular chapter is well defined. Therefore, this is a set. Okay. The collection of questions from a particular chapter is well defined. Therefore, this is a set. Okay. This is the answer. We go the next question. See this question. The collection of most dangerous animals of the world. This is also contradictory. Somebody may say tiger, somebody may say whale, somebody may say shark, somebody may say crocodile. Okay. For dangerous animals. This is not a well defined or not a clearly defined criteria. That is why this is not a set. Okay. How we have to answer this? Most dangerous is not well defined. Therefore, this is not a set. Okay. Most dangerous, fast, what we say, cricket player, like that you cannot, what we can say, make the criteria. That is why most dangerous is not well defined. This is not a set. Collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Somebody may call some other animal as a dangerous. That is why those contradictory statements are not going to be called as a sets. Okay. Now we have completed the first question. We go for second question. Okay, see the second question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert appropriate symbol of epsilon or epsilon naught. That means belongs to or not belongs to. Epsilon, epsilon naught. Belongs to, not belongs to. In the blank. Okay, that question, how you are going to answer, we see. This set is containing 1 to 6. All complete natural numbers or whatever it may be, integers or whole numbers. See here, 5 is there? Yes. If 5 is there, 5 belongs to A, automatically what we are going to write? Belongs to epsilon. Okay? In this way, you have to write. Next, 8 blank A, 8 dash A means 8 is there, 8 is not there. That is why 8 is not belongs to A, set A. Okay? Next, 4 is there, 4 belongs to A. Okay? Next, 2 belongs to A. Why? Because 2 is there. Okay. Next, 0 belongs to A. No, 0 is not there. Not belongs to A. Okay. 10 belongs to A. 10 is not there. 10 is also not belongs to A. This is answer for this question. Okay. Okay. Next, you take the third question. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form they are asking us to write, but these are in set builder form. This is a set builder form. Okay. Now we are going to write in roster form. First, understand the question. A is equal to, for all the values of x, for all the values of x is an integer and x is greater than -3 but less than 7. Okay. Now, how we are going to write this answer? You see, in roster form, A is equal to -2. Why? Because -2 is greater than -3. -3 you should not take. Greater than -3 you have to take. But those should be integer. Maybe positive integer, maybe negative integer, maybe 0. Okay. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 should not come. Why? Because less than 7 they are asking. This is the set of integers between -3 and 7. Okay, this is the set in roster form. This is the answer for this set. Okay, this is set builder form, this is roster form. By seeing this, you can understand how you have to write a set in roster form or set builder form. Okay, okay, we go second part of the third question. Second. See the second part of the question number 3. B is equal to, for all the values of x is a natural number less than 6. Okay, here you should not take n. You have to take b only. Why? Because they have clearly mentioned b. Here also integers z you should not take. Why? Because in question they have told you take a. Then you have to take a only here. Here also b only. B is equal to, okay, natural number starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6 they have told. Not up to 3, up to 6. Less than or equal to means 6 also you have to take. Equal to is there. But here only less than. That means you have to close the brace. Okay. These are the natural numbers less than 6. Natural number less than 6. Natural number less than 4 means up to 3. Natural number less than 5 means up to 4. Natural number less than 3 means only 1 and 2 you have to write. In this way you have to answer the question. This is the second part of third question. We see third part. Okay. See this question here. C is equal to, for all the values of x is a 2-digit natural number such that sum equals to 8. Sum equals to 8. That means, see, any number, 2-digit number means maybe 1, 2 is a 2-digit number, 3, 4 is a 2-digit number, 34, 12, 63, 2-digit number. But what they have mentioned, natural number, these are all natural numbers only. Such that sum equals to 8. Here sum is equal to 3. 1 plus 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. But here that should equal to 8. How we have to write? C is equal to, first number 1 is there. For coming 8 you have to add 7. That means 17. 26. 35. 44, 53, 62, 71, over? No, 80. Why? Because natural number may not start with 0 but end with 0. 0 is not there in natural number. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. Okay, then you have to take 80 also. If you add 8 plus 0, it is going to become 8. Okay, sum equals to 8. All sum equals to 8. This is the answer for this question. Okay, see this question. Fourth part of question number 3. D is equal to, for all the values of x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Okay, then you can understand by like this: 60, 2, 2 30s, 2, 2 15, 3, 3 5s. Okay, 5 5s over. That means, what are the divisors of this 60? 2, 3, 5. But 2 times have come, but we have to take only once. Okay, now D is equal to 2, 3, 5. Normally, what are the prime number? Prime number means factor is itself. 2 is a prime number. Factor 2 don't have any factors, but 4 is having factors. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. 2 is equal to 2 into 1. 1 is not a prime number. Okay, prime number starts from 2. 29, 23, 17. Okay, 7. 8 is not a prime number. 4 into 2. Some other number, prime number will come. That is why 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 29. Those are the prime numbers. Okay, divisors. This is the answer for this question. We go for 5. See, the question 5 or part 5 of question 3. E is equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. We have to write in roster form. See, E is equal to trigonometry. See, you can take from Y also, you can take from T also, you can take from M also. Whatever you may like. But for the sake of easiness, we take from starting. T, comma, R, comma, I, comma, G, comma, O, comma, N, comma, O already come. Don't take again. M, E, okay. T already come. R already come. Y. You understand, na? That means these elements should not be repeated and order is not important. You can write from Y also, from O also, from R also, from M also. Okay, but these elements should not be repeated. This is the answer for this set of letters in the word trigonometry. See this question. The set of letters in better. That means word better. How we are going to write this? F is equal to B, comma, E, comma, T, comma, another T you need not write. Another E you need not write. Why? Because E and T are already come. R. This is the answer for sixth part of the question number 3. Okay. Write the following sets in set builder form. Okay, this is in roster form. We have to write in set builder form. What we know about set builder form? Set builder form contains like a statement. Elements are not going to come. Separate elements are not going to come. We have to write like a statement. Let us see how we are going to write this roster form set in set builder form. Before writing, you first observe what are there in this set. 3, 6, 9, 12 are there. Okay, these are not like normal natural numbers or normal whole numbers or whatever it may be, integers. Some pattern is seen here. What pattern we are seeing? If you observe clearly, it is a table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, like that it is there. Then we have to write 3 table like. How we are going to write, you see. Okay. First of all, they have not mentioned anything, then you can take A. Let us take A. A is equal to, for all the values of x, x is equal to 3n. Okay. Then again, n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4. Is it correct? You see, x is equal to 3n I have written. n values I have made like this: equal or greater than 1 but less than or equal to 4. If n is 1, that automatically 3 into 1 is 3, n is 2, 6, n is 3, 9, n is 4, 12. Okay. Like this, we have to write in set builder form. For all the values of x, we have to spell like this, and you have to write x colon. X is equal to 3n. This is answer for question number 1 in 4th question, or part 1 of 4th question. We see second part of 4th question. Okay. See this second question also. Here also some 2 table like are there, but you clearly observe this is not a complete 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, but 2 threes are 6 is not there. Then what is this pattern? We have to think. If you square or if you put power on 2, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32. That means 2 power n is coming. This also we have to write in set builder form like this. Let us take B. B is equal to, for all the values of x, x is equal to 2 power n. Okay, comma, n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 5. Brace close. You see 2 power n. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 5 is 32. Like this you have to write. This is a set builder form. Set builder form is like a statement. Set builder form doesn't contain separate elements. Roster form, set builder form. This is roster form, this is set builder form. Okay. With this we have completed this second part of this 4th question. We will go for 3rd question. Okay. Okay. See, this is the 3rd question or 3rd part of the 4th question. What they have given? 5, 25, 125, 625 they have given. What is the pattern also we have to see. Pattern say like earlier only 5 power 1 is 1, 5 power 2 is 25, 5 power 3 is 125, 5 power 4 is 625. This also we can write easily. Okay. Let us take C, or whatever maybe you can take. If they have not given anything, you can take anything here. For all the values of x, x is equal to 5 power n. Okay. And n is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 power n. 1 to 4. This is the answer or solution in set builder form for this roster form set. Okay. Then we go for fourth part of this question. Okay. See this fourth part of this question. This is a continuous what we can say set or infinite set. There is no ending, but not started with 1 or 0, 2, 4, 6 they have started. That means particularly these are not a natural number or whole numbers, complete or natural numbers or complete whole numbers, like that we cannot write. If you observe, these are even numbers. Okay, even natural numbers, even whole numbers, whatever you may call, but even numbers. We have to write like even numbers. Okay, let us take d is equal to, for all the values of x is a even number. Okay, x is a even number, but in set builder form, if you put this is colon, automatically for all means all even numbers have to come. If they give 8, what you are going to write? X is a even number. For the sake of your understanding, if only 2 up to 6 they have given, then what you have to write? X is greater than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 6 you have to write. If they give up to x I am talking about, but here they have not given up to 6, continuously they have written. That is why this you have to omit, this you should not write. Okay, x is an even number. X is an even number, for all means all even numbers it will come. Otherwise you have to put some condition here. If this condition overrides this statement for all the values of, if you don't put any condition, it gives for all. All means whatever even numbers are continuously, all even numbers, like it gives that statement like that. Okay. Now we go for fifth part of this question. Okay, see, this is fifth part of this fourth question. What they have given in roster form, 1, 4, 9 something they have given. If you observe clearly, this is not a simple table, but rather than natural number squares they have made. Natural number starts with 1. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100. That means they have made squares of natural number. Okay, like that only we have to write in set builder form. How we are going to write? You see, say this you take, or natural numbers n also you can take. There is no harm. Why? Because they have not given anything. For all the values of x is equal to n square, I write. Okay, then I write n is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 10. Is it correct? You need not write n is a natural number or something like. Okay, see here for all, but you put some condition, automatically this condition overrides the statement. Okay, for all x is equal to n square. If you put x is 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Okay, like that x values are going to come, but you can put up to 10 only. 10 square 100. Okay, we have not written any even number or something like. Simply we have written n. Okay, this is the fifth part of your fourth question. Okay, see the fifth question. Fifth question, what they have written, list all the elements of the following sets. Naturally all the elements he is asking means he is asking us to write in roster form. Roster form he is asking means question will be in set builder form or some statement it will be there. Okay, see, a is equal to, for all the values of x is an odd natural number. we know odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Okay. Natural number start from 1. Then odd number, first number, what you have to take? You have to take 1. Okay. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Has he given any condition? No. That means this is the answer for this question. Okay. X is an odd natural number, that's all. That means for all means you have to write all numbers. All numbers you cannot write. You have to write like this only. Okay, this is answer for this fifth question, part 1. We go for part 2. Okay, see here, fifth question, part 2. B is equal to, for all values of x, x is an integer, x is greater than minus 1 by 2 but less than 9 by 2. See, in integers fractions are not going to come. We know very well. But integers minus will be there, minus integers will be there, negative integers, 0 will be there, positive integers will be there. Okay. Fractions are not going to come. Here this is a fraction. Minus 1 by 2, 9 by 2 is a fraction. Okay. Let us see how we are going to write this answer. B they have written means you have to take B only. B is equal to an integer. Integers what are all there? Minus 1 by 2, greater than minus 1 by 2. Naturally minus 1, 0. In between minus 1 by 2 come. Okay, minus 1 is a integer, 0 is an integer. Then after minus 1 by 2 you have to take 0. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 don't come. Why? Because 9 by 2 is 4.5. Less than 4.5 you have to take. 4 is less than 4.5. If you go for 5, automatically it is becoming greater than 9 by 2. But we should take less than 9 by 2. Okay. Close it. That's all. This is the answer for this second question of fifth question. Fifth part. Okay. Let us see third part also. Okay. See the third part of this fifth question. Fifth question. For C is equal to, for all the values of x, x is an integer, but x square is less than or equal to 4. Integer means, I told you, integer means fair figure will come, whether it may be in negative number or positive number or 0. Okay, fractions are not going to come. Okay, C is equal to minus 3. Minus also will come, plus also will come. Minus 3 square is 9. Okay, no, it should be less than or equal to 4. Minus 2 square is 4. That means minus 2 we can take. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. 3 square is 9 but less than 4. Okay, these are the integers. We know integers, negative integers, positive integers, 0. All will come in integers. Integer they have written. Okay. Okay. See, fourth part of this question. For all the values of x, x is a letter in word loyal. Okay. In the word loyal, x is a letter. That means all letters in this word, so you have to make a set. In roster form. Okay, D is equal to, see, you take L, O, Y, A, L, no, L already came. Okay, this is answer for this question. Okay, we go for fifth part. Let us see fifth part of the fifth question. For all values of x, x is a month in a year not having 31 days. See, you have to spell for all values of x, but no values are there. Months you have to write, okay? But this is a statement, we have to follow that. X is a month in a year not having 31 days. That means what are all months we don't have 31 days? Those you have to list out in roster form. Okay, January 31 days, February, February. March 31 days. Next April. May 31 days. Next June. July 31 days. August 31 days. September. Why? Because not having 31 days. Which month is not having 31 days? Those months name you have to list out. September. October is 31 days again. November. Okay. December is 31 days again. Okay. These are the months which doesn't have 31 days in a month. Okay. Like this you have to list out, or you have to write roster form. This is a roster form. We go for next part of this fifth question. See this question. F is equal to, for all the values of x, x is a consonant in alphabet which precedes k. What are consonants? Which are not vowels. Vowels are what? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Remaining are consonants. 5 vowels, 21 consonants. Total 26 letters. Okay. You have to write consonant, but that should be precedes K. Up to K only you have to go. See, A, E, I. Before O also will not come. That means A, E, I you have to omit. Remaining all consonants you have to write before K. Okay, see, F is equal to A is a vowel, B, okay, C, okay, consonant, D, okay, consonant, E is a vowel, F, okay, consonant, G, okay, consonant, H, okay, consonant, I is a vowel, J, okay, consonant, K, no, precedes K. You have to take up to here only. That means B, C, D, F, G, H, J is the answer for this question. Like this you have to answer. Okay. Now we see the sixth question. This is the last question in this exercise 1.1. Match the following. One side they have written in roster form, one side in set builder form. You have to match these sets. Let us see one by one. First roster form of set. This set is 1, 2 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 has not come. These are not continuous natural numbers. What are these? We have to see the criteria. X is a prime number and divisor of 6. Okay, here 1 and 6 are not prime numbers. So A is not for 1. X is an odd natural number less than 10. Only odd numbers have to come, but here even numbers are also have come. That is why 1 is not matching with B also. X is a natural number and divisor of 6. Okay, this may be there. You see here, natural number and divisor of 6. 1 divides 6, 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6, 6 divides 6. That is why 1C is going to match. 1 matches with C. Okay, then we go for 2. Second question. 2 and 3. Okay, X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. See, these two are prime numbers and divisors of 6 also. That means 2 matches with A. Mathematics. Automatically you can say that X is a letter in the word mathematics. 3 matches with B. Okay, then you go for fourth one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is only left B. X is an odd natural number less than 10. See, odd natural number. Yes, natural numbers are there, but odd. 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 6 is not there, 8 is not there. Odd natural numbers less than 10 are there. Okay. Then fourth one is this one, B. This is answer for this sixth question. Okay.